Alright y'all, today we're going to be replacing these old wheel bearings with some new wheel bearings and some new seals. So we're going to do this the way that I normally do it, which I have a long bolt. What we're going to do with this bolt is we're going to stick it down there in the hole. I don't know if y'all can see this, but there's a spacer that goes in between the wheel bearings, and we're going to push that spacer to the side a little bit, just enough to where this bolt will hit the back of that bearing, and it should fall right on the inside of the race. And we are going to simply alright, and that should be the sound of victory. So when we turn this over, boom, we got the old bearing and the spacer on the ground. And then we're going to take our bearing pusher, stick it back in there again. Did it come out? I think it came out. And not yet. There we go. Now it's out. So now we have both old bearings out and the spacer. Find a socket that is big enough where it only makes contact on the outside of the bearing. You also need to make sure that the bearing fits inside of the hole. So what you want to do is you want to put the bearing in there, take the socket, put it right over top of the bearing, and just gently tap it until it bottoms out. Of course, you want to make sure that it is as level as possible. And there we have the bearing installed, and it's all the way bottomed out. And there, you want to take your seal, put it in there, and you may have to take the socket and give it a little bit of assistance. And just like that, you have your first bearing and seal installed. You want to flip it over. You want to take your spacer, drop it down in there, take your other bearing, put the bearing in, and just like that, you have new bearings and seals in your wheels. The biggest thing is to have something long enough. You could use your axle probably if you wanted to, but just take caution not to mar up the threads on the end. But you know, new bearings, new seals, a 5-minute job, you're good to go. Until next time, think, build, enjoy. Peace. I love it. Look how smooth that wheel is.